My name is Obu Stephen Okor, an active MMM participant and a candidate of the just concluded Batch 94 MMM Guider School. I must say, it was fun being part of the Batch 94 MMM Guider School, but it was never an all-comers affair. There was much to be done with limited time frame, and I had to work even harder to ensure that I meet up with the time. It was stressful, no doubt. Working all day and all night while the class lasted wasn't an easy task, but it was worth it. Being a product of the Batch 94 MMM Guider School came with enormous benefits to me. The school has shaped my thinking financial-wise. It created an avenue for me to reach out to people more easily than I usually did. It gave me a deeper insight into the ideologies of MMM, and as such, I can talk about MMM with an added vigor. It reawakened my consciousness time-wise because all the tasks were time-bound. The school gave me an opportunity to learn how to use different applications which I hitherto never knew. Such applications are GoToMeeting, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Doc, among others. It equally opened me up to rational thinking, especially when we got to our final task, which is the business game. It was actually the height of all the tasks. It was a whole lot of brainstorming, which took my group late at nights on daily basis, as we always ensured that we conclude our set tasks and also interact on GoToMeeting. The business game alone was made up of 7 different tasks that called for depth thinking, assumptions, contributions, and even counter contributions. But at the end, the stress was worth it. Challenges. As I said earlier, it wasn't easy making it through this school, as there existed a degree of challenges along the line. First of which was the epileptic power supply that was prevalent in my area, which lasted while this school was in session. Second was the unstable data network connection, which led me to alternating between various network providers in order to ensure I meet up with the classes. The fact that I hardly had time for myself for proper rest was equally of challenge to me, as I had to sell my sleep in order to complete my tasks. I actually made a mistake in uploading my Facebook link, which I did with my personal Facebook without knowing that I was supposed to do that with a female Facebook link. Not for the meeting I had with my mentor, which was actually on the last day of the summation of the taxes, that I got wind of the fact that I was supposed to make use of the female Facebook link which I created. Appreciation. I want to thank the Almighty God for the unmerited grace, strength, and favor all through this period. I must also thank the founder of MMM, Sergey Mavrodi, for this initiative that was brought to empower the people. I must also thank my able mentor, who was always there for us to ensure that we impacted with the right knowledge and the challenges that face us when we actually become guiders. I thank MMM for finding me worthy of being part of its school. And finally, I appreciate each and every member of Batch 94 Guider School. You guys were wonderful. I pray that we all succeed in our endeavors. Thank you. May the Almighty God bless us. Long live MMM.